Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Located off Mullines Road in a quiet neighborhood is this well-appointed home. This property boasts 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. The ground floor has a open porch, carport, living and dining room, 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, large kitchen and a back patio. There is also a self-contained flat. On the upper floor, you will find the primary bedroom, walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms with shared bathroom, living area and a full-size kitchen. This house is ideally located in close proximity to all major businesses. The land area of this house is approximately 5,003 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $61.5 million or US 400,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.